How many gallons of water do you think you use every day? 20 gallons, maybe 50 gallons? Well, the truth is that the average American uses between 80 and 100 gallons of water every day. And we realize that this is a growing problem in the United States, so we have come up with a solution to significantly reduce the amount of water used per person in the United States. I'm Mario.
I'm Malkop.
And I'm Equestrian Goddess, and this is our idea. So for our problem, on average, a person wastes between 29 and 36,000 gallons of water per year. Our pain is that water scarcity in the U.S. is becoming more prominent every day with no substitutes to create more water. So for our solution, we came up with the Aqua Home Filtration. So this system will be built in at your house, and all the water from the shower, from the sink, from the washer, and just from any other leaks or just small amounts of water that you use will be put to a holding tank. Instead of going straight to the sewer system, it will go through a filter, and then you'll be able to use 90% of that water again, which will be pumped back into your house, and then the other 10% will be sent to the sewer. And also on this, you'll be able to tell how many gallons of water you're being saved, the pH level of the water, and also when to change your filters. And so, like as you can see here, all the water, the percentage of the water used in your house, and then it will be filtered through and take everything out and then refilter back into your house.
So the industry trends so far, and the U.S. water industry grew about 3% in 2015, generating around $160 billion. And then the two largest segments of that industry was the wastewater treatment and the water utilities. And together they're around 2/3 of the industry's revenue. And then the other industry that we're going to be in is the home improvement industry, which was around $325 billion industry in 2015, as well as home improvement stores generated around $144 billion in 2014. And it's on average 53% of adults have spent around $1,000 or more on home improvements within the last 12 months here in the United States. So the opportunity size is, right now there's estimated to be around 125 million households in the U.S. And so from 2015 to 2016 there was also an increase of around 2.2 million people. And so that means more people are being born, meaning more water is going to be wasted. And so we also have in the first 3 months of 2017, there's around 43,000 homes being built, and if this trend continues, by the end of the year, we would have around 172,000 brand new homes that we could implement our system into.
And the competitive advantage you can see in this chart, we showed the average amount of water per household used in the United States. So in the first row, you can see that right now the average house uses about 81,000 gallons of water per year. And the second row shows that with our filtration system, being able to reuse about 90% of the water, we'll be able to reuse about 73,000 gallons of that water. And in the last row, which will now show if all the homes were to use our product, instead of 81,000 gallons of water per year, we'd only be using about 8,000 gallons of water per year. And the value of this product is for the average home in America that wants to cut down on water usage and save money. Our filtration system will be able to use, recycle, and then reuse 90% of the total water consumption, which will save you money and then also reduce their ecological footprint. And then for other smaller scale water filter companies, our Aqua Home Filtration system will now produce a whole household water filter system.
So overall, people are wasting too much water and wasting money. And so what we came up with is a solution that will refilter and recycle the water, saving 90% of the water, putting back into the home instead of just dumping it into the sewer systems. Thank you very much.